We have a 2-piece Arrow plier set. You guys, I love the Arrow brand. I do have more plier sets from them. They are scattered. Some are in different cars, and I would like to have all of my cars to have their own toolbox. So that's how I am, you guys. So right here, we have a nice little plier set. Rubber handle. These pliers retract back by themselves. And then we have the other set right here. Here's the other one. Now this one is the needle nose with the angle on it, okay? I always use this set right here. The one with the angle on it. This is very nice, very sleek. Now, the other ones I have, they're a little bit bigger, but there's nothing wrong with having a little bit sized down. These are 6 inches on the dot, you guys. They didn't give you no more and they didn't give you no less. 6 inches, 6 inches. So very nice, handy. Put it in your little toolbox. You can grip it right here too if need be. It's nice and comfortable. Putting your fingers right here and then holding it. So whether you're working on a motherboard or something small when it comes to you know, electronics and stuff like that, mechanical, this is definitely good if you need to get in a tight area. Or if you're working with small equipment, this is what you need. Non-slip handle, Arrow brand right there. And again, I love Arrow, you guys. I actually have another Arrow set that I'm going to review, so definitely stay tuned to that. You do not want to miss the next Arrow review. Catch y'all on the next one.